Hey, I'm John Chan, the Senior Lab Manager here at Reviewed, and today we're going to be talking about septic-safe toilet paper. So if you're new to septic tanks, they can cost anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000 to install, and here in Massachusetts, they can cost anywhere from $225 to $600 to clean out. So you really want to pick the right toilet paper. And what makes the right toilet paper? Well, typically it's something that dissolves really easily. And because you don't want to add volume or risk any type of clogging when it comes to your toilet paper. So as you can see here, it's pretty dissolved. It's not clumping, which is one of the things that you want to avoid. Let's try this one. Now, something I like about this one is that it's really thin. Typically, you want to go for a 1 or 2 ply. This one happens to be 3 ply, but it is still very thin compared to traditional toilet paper. See, this one's dissolving pretty well. Also, there's tons of toilet paper out there now that's made from bamboo, which not only has less water usage in its production, but actually saves you water on the other end too, because it takes less to dissolve. Let's see this one. 1, 2, 3. So it looks like I found the fraudster here. This one seems to be clumping a lot more than the others. So this one I would not recommend using in your septic tank because it may, one, increase the volume, which causes it to need to be pumped out more often, and clumping can cause clogs. In addition, other things you need to worry about when it comes to flushing things down the toilet with a septic tank are toilet papers that have been treated with any type of perfume or chemicals like lavender scent or aloe vera. This can damage the biome inside the tank, which helps break down the organic matter to prevent clogs and things like that. Another thing you want to watch out for is don't flush wipes down the toilet. In general, they are not septic tank safe. They can cause thousands of dollars of damage to your property if they cause any type of major clog or just destroy the biome inside the tank. For all of our toilet paper recommendations, including all of our septic tank safe ones, head over to Reviewed.com.